Is he watching out his window?
No.
What do you say?
He's like, I've seen it before.
Yeah.
Where's the dogs?
They're around. It's amazing. I decided I'm just gonna kill the battery as much as possible. I'm not gonna upload it at all. Just take stills from it to post tomorrow. It's amazing.
It's like aliens.
Chopper, Daisy.
It's aliens.
Please don't.
No, it's when I went into Daddy's. It's like aliens. Whoa!
There's stuff going over there too, down that way. To the left. I don't know why I'm directing that because I'm not really going to be showing the video anywhere. This is video
Well,
number
you could with the sound.
If I wanted to, but I don't really want to. But if I want somebody to gift it, because I can't do gifts. I'm going to save the video, but I'm going to do stills from it to post online.
Daisy!
Is what I'm going to do.
Chopper, come on. Chopper Daisy!
It's so amazing not hearing any thunder. Except for all the thunder we've seen and not seen any lightning of.
It's the apocalypse, Danny.
The thunder happened months in advance for the lightning.
Oh my gosh, Danny! Danny!
What?
What direction is that? Is that north or south?
West is that way. That's south. Southeast.
Wait, if that's east, that's west.
West is your left.
What?
If you're facing north, west would be to the left.
Yeah. I was gonna say, Lucifer was released.
Why?
There was a big bright light, but
Why?
it's just one thing. It was in Maryland. Electrical storm.
Yeah.
It's a demonic omen.
Yeah, cheerful.
Someone's kid's gonna get
Get what?
azazeled.
I don't even want to know. I don't know. This is so amazing.
Whoa.
I want to step away, go inside now, but just imagine how much we could see if those trees weren't in the way.
We're not chopping down the trees.
Like those trees are huge. You can't
like
chop them off anyway.
We like them. They're good trees.
They annoy the hell out of me.
They're good trees. They give us oxygen.
I'm not denying that. I'm just saying they annoy the heck out of me to be right there.
Yeah, okay. But animals live in them. Chopper!
I know.
Chopper, come here! Come on, Chopper!
It just blocks my view of the storms and stuff.
Oh, shit, there's poop around here somewhere.
You didn't pick up poop, did you?
I did pick up poop. I missed a pile.
Oh.
Chopper! Daisy! Daisy! Get your ass over here. Daisy, get your ass over. Daisy! Daisy!
You can't freaking see anything on the screen until except for the lightning when it flashes. I wonder what I got in the video. I'm trying to kill the battery. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I'm calling it quits now.